Number 1. The 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $6,000, is in a condition reflecting a potential restoration project. It has a clean title with complete documentation and active registration. Its 235 straight-six engine has been rebuilt, paired with a functional 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. Many engine components have been updated, including the radiator, water pump, exhaust gaskets, distributor, spark plugs, wires, ignition coil, and freeze plugs. The front brakes have been converted to discs, and the alternator has been upgraded. The car is daily drivable but needs rust repairs, floor restoration, and professional welding in some areas. The interior is complete, but requires reupholstery, and parts like the rear passenger side panel need replacement. The exterior retains its original paint with appealing patina. Although the speedometer is non-functional, other instruments work, and a Bluetooth audio system has been installed. With some extra care and further restoration, this car is a great candidate for a classic project that can be gradually improved while being driven. Number 2. The 1962 Pontiac Bonneville Sport, priced at $11,000, represents a top-of-the-line Pontiac model from the Kennedy era. It features luxurious styling and premium amenities, powered by a 389 cu.din V8 OHV engine with a 4-barrel carburetor producing 303 horsepower and 425 lb-ft of torque. Although the engine's originality and restoration history are unconfirmed, it reportedly runs strong, starts easily, and has minor rocker cover leaks. The 4-speed Hydromatic automatic transmission was rebuilt 3 years ago and functions well. The car has a 3.08.1 rear axle ratio per the brochure, repainted in original garnet mist, code L. 3 years ago, the paint remains excellent with minor chips and no rust. The red vinyl interior has been refreshed, with slight carpet and headliner wear and a non-working dome light. All factory gauges are operational, including a recently recharged aftermarket AC, except for the radio. Steering is precise with no leaks, and the finned aluminum drum brakes are in excellent condition. The glass is intact, new rubber seals are installed, and all exterior lighting functions, making this a well-preserved classic. Number 3. The 1953 Studebaker Commander Starliner, priced at $10,000, remains in original condition with its factory-matching V8 232 engine and automatic transmission. Mechanically sound, it's ready for daily use. Recent maintenance includes new brake shoes, a master cylinder, and rear wheel bearings. However, the interior is worn and needs attention. The chrome is decent, though there's rust on the passenger side rocker under the door, with no significant rust elsewhere. The owner mentions that replacement rocker panels are available. Owned for 20 years with good mechanical upkeep, it comes with full registration and ownership documents valid until September 2025. Number 4. The 1962 Buick Skylark, priced at $15,000, showcases an elegant regal black paint job with a matching powered vinyl convertible top. In excellent condition, minor imperfections in the paint and trim suggest meticulous care. The front features 3 venti ports on each fender, denoting its status as a Buick Junior model. Its clean engine bay houses a 215 CID V8 engine producing 190 horsepower, paired with a 2-speed dual-path turbine drive automatic transmission. The interior blends black carpeting with foldable front bucket seats and red-black rear bench seats equipped with seat belts for a luxurious feel. The black instrument panel with chrome accents and a ribbon-style speedometer adds to its classic charm. Whitewall radial tires, 175/70R13, are mounted on wire wheel covers in good original condition. A 16-gallon fuel tank sits in a tidy trunk, complete with a factory spare tire cover and jack. Despite minor flaws like a missing driver's door lock cylinder, this car exudes authenticity and classic appeal as one of only 8,000 Skylarks produced that year. Number 5. The 1967 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $7,000, is a 4-door hardtop with a solid, straight body and no rust, reflecting good maintenance. It is powered by a 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission with approximately 73,000 miles. Several components have been updated, including a new fuel tank, a rebuilt original carburetor, a fuel pump, and a 1-wire alternator. The AC remains functional, offering comfort for long trips. The original paint looks more impressive from a distance, while the interior shows signs of aging. This car is not show-ready, but ideal as a relaxing classic cruiser or family road trip vehicle. The price is negotiable, making it a good candidate for an air suspension conversion or continued use as a nostalgic ride. Number 6. The 1963 Buick Riviera, priced at $16,000, shows 88,000 miles on the odometer and has a clean title. It features a robust 425 engine and factory options such as power windows, power seats, tilt steering, cruise control, AC, and power steering. The top of the engine was rebuilt about 1,000 miles ago, and the brakes have been upgraded with a dual-cylinder booster and canister. The interior has received updates, including new carpeting and headliner, while original elements like the floor mats, keys, pedals, and radio have been preserved. All gauges and indicators work, and the car is registered. The exterior and interior are well maintained, with leather seats showing some wear but retaining their originality. It's described as a turnkey car, ready for use with no additional repairs needed, having been garage kept for 10 years. The seller is not open to trades, aiming to downsize their collection. Number 7. The 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $16,000, shows 28,000 miles, though sold as miles exempt due to its age. It is equipped with a reliable 400-block V8 engine, a 3-speed floor-shift transmission, and classic black leather seats. The exterior features well-maintained metallic green paint, enhancing its vintage appeal. The wood-grain dashboard and steering wheel add elegance, while the engine components appear original and well-preserved. This car is appealing to classic car enthusiasts who value a combination of style and power. Number 8. The 1973 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $12,000, is in good overall condition with a clean title and daily drivability. It includes a Bluetooth radio and a car alarm system. The suspension has been updated with new leaf springs, control arms, and front and rear sway bars. The interior is clean, featuring well-maintained black leather seats and a tidy trunk with a well-kept spare tire. The engine has a minor seal leak between the transmission and motor. The exterior is bright red with an eye-catching SS grille emblem, classic wheels, and shiny chrome. This classic is ready for immediate use with minor future improvements possible. Number 9. The 1966 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside, priced at $5,500, boasts a unique patina look, making it a head-turner. It does have some technical and aesthetic issues, including rust on the roof and around the windshield. The manual transmission struggles with staying in third gear at high speeds, and the electrical system is faulty, affecting the fuel gauge, headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. The engine, upgraded from 250 CI to 292 CI in 1988, has a well-documented maintenance history. Recent repairs include replacing the wheel cylinder, master cylinder, starter, and alternator by the second owner. Despite its needs, this truck remains an exciting project for classic car enthusiasts. Number 10. The 1967 Mercury Cougar, priced at $18,000, features a striking teal blue exterior in excellent condition, with no major damage or rust. The interior is equally well maintained, with vinyl or faux leather seats intact and a pristine dashboard showcasing the classic 1960s design. The instrument panel, including fuel and temperature gauges, is clean and functional. Powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, the car comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, both working well. Overall, it's a great choice for collectors or classic car fans. Number 11. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $14,000, is a highly sought-after model due to limited production caused by a General Motors strike. Described as a barn find, it has remained stored for years. The body is straight and solid, with aged yellow paint reflecting its originality. The interior is mostly intact but shows wear, especially with torn front seats. Powered by a CNJ-coated 250 TCI engine with a 9.0.1 compression ratio, it delivers 250 horsepower and 345 lb-ft of torque. Though it hasn't been driven since 2008, it still runs, indicating decent maintenance. Rust-free, this Camaro is an attractive restoration candidate before its value rises significantly post-restoration. Number 12. The 1974 Toyota Corolla, priced at $8,000, is in good condition with a shiny, deep red exterior accented by white striping. It features Celica wheels and Techno Toy coilovers up front with rear lowering blocks, giving it a sporty stance. The well-maintained interior includes clean seats and carpeting, though the dashboard shows minor wear. The 1.2L four-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission runs smoothly and is smog-exempt. It handles highway speeds well and has a new fuel pump, making it ideal for Japanese classic car enthusiasts. Number 13. The 1969 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $6,000, equipped with an inline-six engine and original transmission. According to the description, the car has significant rust issues, including on the floor, bed, and body. However, the windows are in good condition. The interior shows damage, especially on the seats and cabin floor. The car is currently non-operational but has no outstanding fees. It has a clean title, and ownership documents are available. Tires are not included in the sale, though wheels are provided but will need new tires. The seller is also offering an optional high-performance small block 350 engine and a 700 R4 transmission, previously used in a 1975 El Camino. The price is offered as is or with the additional engine and transmission. Number 14. The 1969 Chevrolet C10, priced at $6,500. This 4x4 long bed truck is in project condition, but still runs and drives. It is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The body shows minimal rust, while the interior retains its original components, though it requires more attention. The dashboard is fully functional. The truck frame is reported to be straight, but the current wheels are temporary and will be replaced with another set. The truck has a clean title and is in non-operational, non-OP status, so towing is recommended for long distances. The owner holds all ownership documents and is open to the best offer. This truck is offered with the hope that prospective buyers can recognize its potential in person. Number 15. The 1975 Chevrolet Vega, priced at $2,500, the odometer reads 7,500 miles. According to the seller, the exterior is yellow with some signs of aging, such as dullness and dirt on the body. The interior needs repairs, with a worn dashboard and aging steering wheel. The 4-cylinder engine has been rebuilt, but is not fully connected or road-ready, with claims of 0 miles since the rebuild. The car comes with an automatic transmission and is in non-operational status, with no outstanding fees. Despite having a clean title, the vehicle requires additional attention to be fully functional. The owner has reduced the price due to the need for garage space. If you're interested, check out the video description for the seller's contact information.